students. Here this is the revision for your next unit test. This is from lesson Matter Around Us. So what you have to do, you take your PDF or your classwork notebook where you have written all these questions. First of all, you have to learn about the multiple choice question. The first question I told that matter is composed of dash. The options are atoms, molecules, ions. Here the answer is all of the above. Another one option also there, all of the above. So you have to write all of the above. Matter is composed of atoms, molecules, ions. Then the second question. The liquid metal used in thermometer is dash. The options given are copper, mercury, silver, gold. The correct perfect answer is mercury. So, how you have to write the liquid metal used in thermometer is mercury. The pictorial symbol of water is given by the alchemist was. Here 4 symbols are given in your text, in your PDF, or you have written in your notebook. The answer is the inverted triangle without any line. Okay, here which one of the element name not derived from planet? Which of the element name not derived from planet? The options are plutonium, neptunium, uranium, mercury. So the answer is mercury. Next question. Symbol of mercury is Ag, Hg, Au, Pb is given. So the answer is Hg. So the symbol of mercury is Hg. Next question. A form of non-metal which has high ductility is dash. The options are nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, carbon. The answer is carbon. So a form of non-metal which has high ductility is carbon. Which one of metal possesses low tensile strength? Silver, copper, zinc, aluminum, these are all the options. The correct prompt answer is zinc. Which one of the metal possesses low tensile strength is zinc. The property which allows metals to be hammered into their sheets is dash. 4 options are given: ductility, malleability, conductivity, tensile strength. So the answer is malleability. The non-metal which conduct current is dash. The options are carbon, oxygen, aluminium, sulfur. The correct answer is carbon. Okay, the next question. Question number 10. Pencil lead contain dash. Graphite, diamond, aluminium, sulfur. The answer is graphite. Children, I think you would have observed the MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. Okay, now we have to go to the fill in the blanks. First fill-ups. The first one. The element which possesses character of both metal and non-metal are called dash. The answer is metalloids. The symbol of tungsten dash. The answer is W. You have to write capital W. Melting point of most metal is dash than non-metal. Higher, you have to write higher here. Fourth one, water contain dash and dash element, hydrogen and oxygen element. Dash is used in semiconductor industry. Silicon or germanium is used in the semiconductor industry. Any one answer you can write. And then come to the answer the following. Very short answer. Roman number 5, very short answer. What is ductility? The answer is metals can be drawn into thin wires. This property of metal is called ductility. Example, copper wires. Write the constituent element and their symbols for the following compounds. First one, carbon monoxide. Second one, washing soda. Here carbon monoxide is a compound. The symbol is CO. Constituent elements are carbon and oxygen. Here for washing soda, symbol is Na2CO3. Sodium, carbon and oxygen are the constituent elements. Write the symbol for these elements which have been given below: oxygen, gold, calcium, cadmium, iron. The element oxygen, the symbol is O. For gold, Au, calcium, Ca, cadmium, Cd, iron, Fe. Fe means ferric. Okay, ferric or ferrous. Name two soft metals that can be cut with a knife. Sodium, Na, and potassium, K, are soft metals. Those metals can be cut with a knife. Which non-metal is essential for our life and all living beings inhale it during breathing? Oxygen is essential for our life and all living beings inhale it during breathing. Why are bells made of metals? On being hit, metals produce a typical sound. They are said to be sonorous. This property is being used in making bells. What does a chemical symbol represent? A chemical symbol is a shortened method of representing an element. Symbol of an element signifies name of the element, one atom of the element. For example, the symbol O stands for the element of oxygen, one atom of oxygen. Give two examples for metalloids, boron and silicon. Mention any three compounds that exist in liquid state: water, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. These are all in the liquid state. The question number 10. Write three properties of metalloids. Answer is properties of metalloids. Metalloids are all solid at room temperature. They can form alloys with other metals. Some metalloids such as silicon and germanium can act as electrical conductor under the specific conditions. Thus they are called semiconductors. Silicon, for example, appears lustrous but is not malleable nor ductile. It is a much poorer conductor of heat and electricity than the metals. Now come to the short answer questions. Can you store pickle in an aluminium utensil? Explain. No, we cannot store the lemon pickle in aluminium utensil because aluminium is a metal and lemon is acidic in nature. The acidic react with the metal to give hydrogen, which would spoil the food and make it unfit to use. A tablet 4 points of difference between metals and non-metals. Here properties and then metals of non-metals properties are being given. Physical state at room temperature. Metals are usually solid, non-metals are solid, liquid or gases. Here properties of the metal is malleability, good malleability. Here in non-metal, poor, usually soft or brittle. Ductility is very good in metals. Here poor, usually soft or brittle. They are in the non-metals. Boiling point is usually high in the metals, usually low in the non-metals. Define tensile strength. Metals have the capacity to withstand strain without breaking. This property is called the tensile strength. It is a property that owes the use of iron for the construction of railway tracks. Why are utensils made up of aluminium and brass? The answer is the cooking utensils are made up of aluminium and brass because they are good conductors of heat. Aluminium will form a layer of protective oxide that prevents further reaction. Also, aluminium is also relatively cheap, and that is why it is used widely in making utensils. Define alchemy. Alchemy was a form of chemistry studied in the Middle Age which was concerned with trying to discover a way to change ordinary metal into gold. Name the elements for following symbols. Na, W, Bal, Al, U. The answer is Na means sodium, W is tungsten, Ba refers to barium, Al refers aluminium, U is for the uranium. Here, name 6 common non-metals and write their symbols. Sulfur symbol is S, carbon symbol is C, oxygen symbol is O, hydrogen stand for H, helium He, nitrogen N. Mention any 4 compounds and their uses. Compounds and their uses. Water. The chemical name of the water is hydrogen oxide. It has hydrogen and oxygen as a constituent. Uses for drinking and as a solvent. Table salt. The chemical name is sodium chloride and uses are essential component of our daily diet, preservative for meat and fish. Sugar. The chemical name is sucrose. The uses are preparation of sweets, toffees and fruit juices. Baking soda. The chemical name is sodium bicarbonate. It is used in the fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder and preparation of cakes in the bowls. Mention the metals that are used in jewelry. Silver and gold are used for making jewels and in decorative purposes. Mention the uses for the following compounds. Baking soda, bleaching powder, quicklime. Uses of baking soda is fire extinguisher, preparation of the baking powder and preparation of the cake and the bread. Bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder is as a bleaching agent, disinfectant and sterilization of the drinking water. Quicklime. Manufacture of cement and glass. And then you have to learn all these questions for your next unit test. Detailed answers are not given, but how you have to write the detailed answer is, it will be given as mention the metals and their uses, or mention any 5 compounds and their uses with their chemical names. Likewise, you can get the questions for the detailed answer. Okay, so you have to prepare according to that. Here children, this is the next chapter. The name of the chapter is Plant Kingdom. Now you have to do the revision for all the question answers, choose the correct answer, fill up everything for this lesson also. Now the first Roman number is choose the correct answer. Here you have to see the questions from your PDF file or in your classwork notebook. You have to observe the pronunciation properly for their learning purpose. Okay. The botanical name you can feel the difficulty in learning and reading the botanical name with the spellings. So first of all, what you have to do, you learn one word and then you have to write 5 times in your rough notebook, and then you can learn very easily. Okay, the first question is Solanum trilobata is the binomial name of Tooduvalai. Here the word Solanum refers to the dash. It is the Solanum is genus name. Whenever if you are writing any botanical name or any zoological name, 2 names will be written. The first name refers genus name. The second name refers the species name always. So here Solanum trilobata is the binomial name of the Tooduvalai. Here the word Solanum refers to genus. Next question. Dash is an example for colonial form of algae. Options are Acylatoria, Nostoc, Volvox, Chlorella. The perfect answer is Volvox. And the next question. Floridian starch is a reserve food material of dash. Options are Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Cyanophyceae. The answer is Rhodophyceae. Next question. The edible mushroom is dash. Polyporus, Agaricus, Penicillium, Aspergillus. These are all the options given. The correct answer is, it is given agarism is given there, but a perfect answer is agaricus. See the option Agaricus. The edible mushroom is agaricus. Soil erosion is prevented by dash plants: algae, fungi, bryophytes and pteridophytes. The answer is bryophytes. The next question is, the first vascular cryptogams in land plant are called dash. Options are bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. The correct answer is pteridophytes. The well-developed sporophytic plant body is seen in dash: bryophyte, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. The answer is gymnosperm. Next question is, binomial nomenclature was first introduced in the year of 1970, 1975, 1978, 1623. The answer is 1623. Penicillin is an antibiotic which is extracted from dash: algae, fungi, bryophyte, pteridophyte. The answer is fungi, because penicillin is an antibiotic obtained from Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum is a fungi. So the answer is fungi here. Now come to the fill in the blanks. The word taxonomy is derived from dash. The answer is Greek. Binomial nomenclature was first introduced by Gaspard Bauhin. Monocotyledon seed bear only dash cotyledons. Only one cotyledon. The third question. The third fill up. See there. The book Genera Plantarum was written by Bentham and Hooker. Here, the fifth one. Brown algae belongs to dash class: Phaeophyceae. Agar agar is obtained from dash algae: red algae. The reserve food material of fungi are dash glycogen and oil. The first true land plant is dash pteridophyte. P is silent here. The spelling is Pteridophyte. So P is silent here. You have to pronounce as pteridophyte. Xylem and phloem are absent in dash plants: bryophyte plants. Reticulate venation is present in dash plant: dicot plant. Now come to the short answers. Very short answer you have to learn now. Match the following true or false or not. You can learn by yourself. Here are the questions. You have to learn the questions. Answer the following. First question. Define thallus. Thallus refers to a plant body which is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Example, algae. The second question is, what is meant by binomial nomenclature? Give example. The answer is, the name of an organism with two words are known as binomial nomenclature. For example, the binomial name of a mango is Mangifera indica. Now the first word Mangifera refers to the genus name and the second word indica refers to the species name. Write any 2 points of dicotyledons. Here the answer is, seeds has 2 cotyledons, plants have taproot system, leaves with reticulate venation. Flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. Calyx and corolla are well differentiated. Pollination occurs mostly by insects. Next question is, seeds of gymnosperm plants are naked. Why? The answer is, in gymnosperms, ovules are born on megasporophylls and no flowers are produced. Therefore, the seeds are described as naked. They are open-seeded bearing plants. Write any 2 economic importance of the fungi. Mushroom contain rich protein, mineral and are edible. Example, agaricus. The antibiotic penicillin is good from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Other antibiotics like gentamicin, erythromycin are also got from fungi. Here answer the following question in a brief. The first question, write short notes about natural system of classification. The first one, the first point of the answer is, in this system, plants are classified on the basis of several characters. Bentham and Hooker's classification is an example of natural system of classification. The second point is, this system of classification is based on morphological. The third point is, this classification is widely used in many herbaria and botanical gardens all over the world. The fourth point is, Bentham and Hooker published their natural system of classification in their book named Genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. The next question, second question, write any 3 economical importance of the algae. The answer is the first one, agricultural importance. Some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. Example, nostoc, anabina. Agar-agar. Agar-agar is extracted from some red algae namely Gelidium, Gracilaria, etc., which is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Iodine. Iodine is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria, that is kelp. Next question, write the differences between algae and the fungi. Here are the characteristics of the algae. First of all, I will read and then to fungi. First one, algae. Algae are autotrophs. It has pigments. Reserved food material is starch. Some algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, cyanobacteria. Nostoc, anabina. Fungi. Fungi are heterotrophs. It has no pigments. Reserved food materials are glycogen and oil. All are eukaryotic nature. Example, agaricus. Question number 4. How many classes are there in bryophytes? What are they? Bryophytes are classified into 3 classes. Class 1, Hepaticae, liverwurst. Example, Rixia. Class 2, Anthoceratae, hornwurst. Example, Anthosauros. Class 3, Musci, mosses. Example, Funaria. Write any 4 characteristics of pteridophytes. Here P silent, so pteridophytes. The answer is, the main plant body is sporophytes, which is the dominant phase differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. Sporophytes reproduce by means of spores. Spores are produced in sporangium. The sporangia bearing leaves are called sporophyll. Most of the plants produce only one type of spore. It may be either microspore or megaspore, that is homosporous, because the male and the female plant are separate here in the gymnosperms. Okay, in the pteridophytes. Okay, not in the gymnosperm, it is a pteridophyte. Okay, answer the following in detail. Draw the outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Outline of Bentham and Hooker system of the classification. It is seeded plant. Dicotyledone. The class Dicotyledone. It has a subclass Polypetalae. Under that you have Thalamiflorae, Disciflorae, Caliciflorae. And then the second one, subclass 2 is Synpetalae. It has Inferae, Heteromerae, Bicarpellatae. Then third one, subclass 3 is Monoclamidae. It has series 8, family 36. And then Gymnosperms. It has 3 families. And then Monocotyledone, class 3, it has a series 8, family 36. Now the next question, write any 5 differences between monocot and dicot plants. The difference between the monocot and dicot is here. Monocots, seeds have a single cotyledon, leaves show parallel venation, they have fibrous root system. Flowers are trimerous, example paddy. Dicots, seeds have 2 cotyledons, leaves show reticulate venation. They have taproot system. Flowers are tetra or pentamerous. Example, mango. Write differences between gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms reproduce by production of cones. Pollination is by wind. They are naked seed-bearing plants. The xylem lacks vessels and the phloem lacks sieve tubes. They have two phases in its life cycle. One is sporophyte and the one is gametophyte. They are angiosperms. The characteristics of the angiosperms are: angiosperms produce flowers. Pollination takes place by wind, water, insects, etc. They are close-seeded bearing plant. Xylem and phloem are well developed. The sporophyte is the dominant phase. Gametophytic phase is much reduced in angiosperms. Next question. Write the economical importance of the gymnosperms. Woods of many conifers are used in the paper industries. Example, pinus, agathis. Conifers are the sources of softwood for construction, packing and plywood industry. Example, cedrus, agathis. Turpentine is an essential oil used for paint preparation extracted from the resins of pinus. It is also used medicinally for relief from pain and bronchitis, etc. Seeds of Pinus gerardiana are edible. Ephedrine is an alkaloid extracted from ephedra. It cures asthma and respiratory problems. Araucaria bidwilli is an ornamental plant. The next question. Write the names of medicinal plants and explain their uses. Medicinal plants and their uses. Acalypha indica, Upaimeni is given in the bracket. The paste obtained from the leaves of this plant is used to cure the burns on the skin. The juice of this plant leaves is mixed with lemon juice to cure ringworm. Agel marmelis, that is vilvum. The unripe fruit of this tree is used to treat indigestion. It is used to cure chronic diarrhea and dysentery. Solanum trilobatum. The leaves and the fruits of this plant cure cough and cold. It is widely used in the treatment of tuberculosis and bronchial asthma related to the respiratory system. Okay. Phyllanthus amaris, Kiranelli. The entire plant is used for the treatment of jaundice. It gives additional strength to the human liver and used to treat other liver disorders. Aloe vera, Sotrikattari. Leaves of this plant is used to cure piles and inflammation on the skin. It cures peptic ulcer. And then detailed answers you have to learn. Here detailed answers you can get from these differentiate between algae, fungi, or differentiate between bryophytes, pteridophytes, differentiate between gymnosperm and angiosperm, differentiate between the monocots and dicots like that. Okay, you will get diagrammatic questions also, or otherwise you can get only diagrams. You have to draw diagram of chlamydomonas, a diagram of mushroom, etc. You may mention the label the diagram or may not label the diagram, but you have to draw the chlamydomonas and mushroom. Okay, do the revision properly. You have to write down all the spellings for 5 times in your rough notebook for the further revision. Okay, all the best students for your next unit test. Thank you.